Are you ready to elevate your videography game in 2025? Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of video cameras that are taking the industry by storm. In this video, we'll showcase the absolute best cameras that promise to deliver stunning quality, cutting-edge features, and unrivaled performance. Perfect for every aspiring filmmaker, content creator, or vlogger out there. Let's get started and find the camera that will take your vision to the next level in 2025. Number 5. Sony A7R-V. The Sony A7R-V represents the pinnacle of Sony's mirrorless camera technology, seamlessly blending cutting-edge features with exceptional image quality. Building upon the legacy of its predecessors, the A7R-V boasts an impressive 61-megapixel full-frame sensor that allows photographers to capture stunningly detailed images. This remarkable resolution is complemented by advanced autofocus capabilities, featuring 759 phase detection points and real-time eye autofocus for humans and animals, ensuring that subjects are always in sharp focus, whether they are still or in motion. In addition to its high-resolution capabilities, the A7R-V excels in video performance, offering 8K recording at 24p and 4K at up to 60p, making it an ideal choice for both photographers and videographers. Its in-body image stabilization system further enhances its versatility, allowing for steady shots even in challenging conditions. One standout feature of the A7R-V is its dual LCD screens. A high-resolution rear touchscreen that tilts for easy composition at various angles, and an additional screen on the top for quick access to shooting settings. This thoughtful design enhances usability and ensures that photographers can focus on their creativity without unnecessary distractions. The camera's robust build quality, including weather sealing, makes it suitable for a variety of shooting environments, from studio settings to rugged outdoor adventures. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, sharing images and controlling the camera remotely is a breeze, making it a great tool for content creators who need to work efficiently. Number 4. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is a remarkable addition to Canon's mirrorless camera lineup, designed to cater to both enthusiasts and professionals looking for a versatile and high-performance camera. Featuring a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, the EOS R7 delivers exceptional image quality with impressive detail and dynamic range, making it a strong contender for a variety of photography styles, from landscapes to portraits and wildlife. One of the standout features of the R7 is its advanced autofocus system, which utilizes Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology. This system offers a staggering 651 AF points, allowing for precise focus tracking on subjects, even in fast-paced or challenging conditions. The camera also incorporates eye detection for both humans and animals, ensuring that your subjects are always in sharp focus, which is particularly beneficial for wildlife photographers. Videographers will appreciate the EOS R7's ability to shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, providing smooth and high-quality. Number 3. Fujifilm X-H2. The Fujifilm X-H2 marks a significant advancement in the realm of mirrorless cameras, showcasing the brand's commitment to delivering high-quality imaging and cutting-edge technology. This camera is equipped with a 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, which not only enhances image resolution but also allows for exceptional detail and dynamic range in various lighting conditions. Photographers will appreciate the X-H2's ability to capture stunning stills and vibrant colors, making it suitable for everything from landscape photography to portraiture. In addition to its impressive sensor, the X-H2 boasts advanced video capabilities, supporting 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. This feature places it among the top contenders for videographers who demand high-resolution footage for their projects. The camera is also well-equipped with in-body image stabilization, which helps to reduce camera shake and ensures smoother video capture, even in challenging environments. The design of the Fujifilm X-H2 is another highlight, featuring a robust, weather-sealed body that is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor shooting. Its intuitive layout includes customizable buttons and dials, allowing photographers to adjust settings quickly and efficiently. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen LCD further enhance the shooting experience. Number 2. Sony A1. The Sony A1 is a flagship mirrorless camera that represents a significant leap forward in both technology and performance for photographers and videographers alike. With its impressive 35.9 megapixel full-frame Exmor RS sensor, the A1 delivers stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and remarkable detail, making it an ideal choice for professionals who demand the best. One of the standout features of the A1 is its ability to shoot at an incredible 30 frames per second using its electronic shutter, ensuring that you never miss a moment, even during fast-paced action. Coupled with advanced autofocus capabilities, including 759 phase detection points and real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, the A1 excels in capturing sharp and precise images in a variety of conditions. In addition to its impressive still photography capabilities, the Sony A1 is also a powerhouse for video production. It can record 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, giving creators the flexibility to produce high-resolution content for various platforms. The camera supports 10-bit 4.2.2 recording, ensuring rich color depth and smooth gradations, which are essential for professional-grade video work. The A1's robust build quality, weather-sealed body, and dual card slots make it a reliable choice for shooting in challenging environments. Its intuitive interface and customizable controls allow users to tailor their shooting experience to their preferences, enhancing workflow efficiency. Number 1. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is a groundbreaking flagship mirrorless camera that has set a new standard in the world of photography and videography. Designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike, the Z9 boasts an impressive 45.7 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor that delivers stunning image quality, remarkable detail, and exceptional dynamic range. This camera is capable of capturing images at blistering speeds, with a continuous shooting rate of up to 20 frames per second in RAW format, making it perfect for action shots and fast-paced environments. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z9 is its advanced autofocus system, which utilizes 493 focus points and sophisticated subject tracking capabilities. This allows photographers to effortlessly lock onto moving subjects, whether they are wildlife in action or athletes in a competitive setting. Coupled with the camera's impressive low-light performance, the Z9 ensures that users can achieve sharp, well-exposed images even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to its photographic capabilities, the Z9 is also a powerhouse for video creators.